Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to customize the action button on Apple Watch Ultra. Let's have a look. First, on your Apple Watch Ultra, press digital crown button to access app screen. Then scroll and tap settings. In settings, scroll down and tap action button. Under action button, tap action. Select an action from the listed actions. Here I am selecting torch. Once you select your action, tap the back button at the top left to return the action button settings. Action button torch. Now when I press action button, torch will turn on. Again when I press action button, torch will turn off. So these are the steps to customize action button on Apple Watch Ultra. You can customize action button through Apple Watch app on iPhone. First, open Watch app on your iPhone. Tap action button. Select action button option. Now, select any option from the list. You can choose torch. Go back and close Watch app. Now on your Apple Watch, press action button. This will open up torch. Once again, press action button. This will turn off torch. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.